How to find the slope of a line given 2 points. Last time we were given the slope and 1 point and we found the equation. But this time we have 2 points. We have -2, 1 is 1 point, and 6 minus 3 is another point. Given these 2 points, we can find the slope. So what is the slope? Slope changes in y divided by changes in x. Y, x. What does that mean? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So what does that mean? y1, y2. So y2 is -3 minus y1, which is 1. x2 is 6 minus -2. So we have -4 plus 8. -2 times minus is +2 plus 6 is 8. So simplifying this is 4 and 2 is 1 over 2. So slope is 0.5 or 1/2. So that's your slope, -1. Now, there is another way of solving this by plotting the 2 points. Let's go, okay, to a graph paper. Here we go. Here's point 1, which is -2, 1, 2, 1 is this point, and 6 minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. That's your second point. So all you gotta do is the difference between the 2 points, the y's and the x's. What's the difference between the y's? Got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your y, delta y, which is the changes in y. What's your x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would be the same as this right here. 4 over 8. Now, when you plot these two, it's going downward. So every time your line is going down, your slope is negative. So you put a negative. If your line is going up, your slope is positive. So in this case, your line is going down. So we have -4a. First it was 4 over 8 according to the graph. And you just put a minus because your line is going down. So that's how you do it graphically. So there are 2 different ways of solving for slope. I hope it clarifies this. If you had any other questions, send me a text or email or subscribe and send me a note. Thank you. See you in the next video.